Tired of earning sweet coins but feeling like you can't actually do anything with them? Well, good news. While you can't directly withdraw sweet coins as cash to your bank account, there are several ways to convert your hard-earned steps into real-world value. This video will guide you through the process of actually using your sweet coins. The primary way to redeem sweet coins is through the Sweatcoin Marketplace. Open your Sweatcoin app and tap the shop icon. This is where you'll find a rotating selection of offers, discounts, and products from various brands. These daily offers often include significant discounts, so it pays to check back frequently. Browse through the available items. You'll see different categories like electronics, apparel, fitness gear, and even experiences. Once you find something you want, tap on the product to view its details, including the price in sweet coins and any additional terms or conditions. Pay close attention to the shipping costs and availability. Some offers may only be available in certain regions. If you're happy with the product and have enough sweet coins, tap the buy button. After you make the purchase, you will typically receive a redemption code or further instructions on how to claim your reward. This might involve visiting the partner's website and entering the code at checkout. Another avenue for using your sweet coins is through participating in raffles or auctions, if those are available in the app. These typically offer higher value prizes, but the odds of winning vary. Also, look for the Sweatcoin Growth Fund. This allows you to invest your sweet coins in up-and-coming companies. You can also donate your sweet coins to various charitable causes through the app. This is a great way to use your coins to make a positive impact. While direct cash withdrawals aren't possible, by exploring the marketplace, participating in raffles, investing in the growth fund, and donating to charities, you can definitely find ways to put your sweet coins to good use. Keep stepping, and keep earning.